Hi and welcome to this goal setting meditation. Before we get started, I wanted to remind you to read the description of this video. You will find information on my online courses, and if you want to join my inner circle, you'll find instructions on how to do that. And then we are ready to get started. So start with finding comfortable seated position where you are able to sit up straight, back straight and long. If you know that you can sit comfortably for 10 to 15 minutes, then you can also lean onto a wall or you can lie down, but make sure that you won't fall asleep. And once you have found your comfortable position, please close your eyes. And to begin this meditation, please bring your kind awareness to why you chose this topic today and how your belly, chest and head each feel when you reflect on this topic. The emotions that you can associate with these feelings, the positive and negative impact of any stories you believe in regarding this topic. And the fact that many others are feeling similarly about this topic as you are. So you are not alone. And now, since you have been thinking about this topic for a little while, about setting goals, how you might feel when you have increased your awareness around this topic. And then we are ready to start. So we are doing short meditation on focusing on our goals. And we are going to begin by embarking on a journey within, getting in touch with our body. So make sure that you are comfortable now, sitting up straight or lying down. Feel the weight of your body pressing down against the surface you are on, and observe your body settling in. Starting off with our feet, tense the muscles in your feet and focus only here. Tightly squeeze your muscles in your feet and hold for 4 seconds. And now let go completely. Do not tense any longer. Then go up to your calves now and tense both of your calves, tensing all the muscles here. And now letting go. Going up to your thighs and tense your quads firmly. Feeling all this tension in your thighs. And then you can let go. Focusing on your pelvis and hips, tense this area as much as you can. And let go. Next, let's bring our focus onto our belly. Activate your abdominal muscles, making your entire stomach firm, and feel all the tension. And then let go. Now let's tense our hands. Make a fist with your hand and grip as hard as you can. And hold the tension. And then let go. up to your chest area now. Tense all the muscles around your chest and back. Flex your shoulders and all the other muscles around this area, holding the tension. And then relax. Now tense your face. Make a face and tense all the muscles in this area, holding this tension. And then let it go. By feeling your body and connecting to it with your mind, you create a unity between your body and mind, which generates deep relaxation and a state of creativity. It is then that we can put our goals toward us with the universal energy that flows through everything. Now you are in a deep alpha brainwave state, completely relaxed. Your mind is open. I would like you to now set 2 goals for yourself. A short-term goal that is accomplished in the next 2 to 3 months, and a long-term goal that is accomplished in the next 2 to 3 years. And first, set the goal that you want to accomplish in the next 2 to 3 months. Vividly see yourself achieving this goal in a couple of months. Take note of how it feels to achieve your goal. Picture your surroundings with as much detail as possible. See the colors being very bright and all the actions happening around you. How does it feel in your body when you have accomplished this goal? Let this emotion of accomplishment fill you. Now set a long-term goal that you will achieve in the next 2 to 3 years of time. And see yourself achieving this goal. Look around and see all the little details around you. People, objects, nature, or whatever you see. Picture it as vividly as you can. See your friends and many people congratulating you on your accomplishment. Notice how it feels to achieve what you desire. Let this feeling grow and fill you up completely. Now slowly and gently start coming back to your surroundings, to this moment. You can maybe bring a little bit movement into your body to wake yourself up. And when you are ready, you can open your eyes and give thanks to yourself for the good job that you did today with this meditation. And I want to thank you for sharing this practice with me today. Namaste.